PLB, the 3D vision system for part localization in bins by SICK, is designed for precise localization of randomly oriented parts in bins and boxes. The PLB system uses CAD-based 3D shape matching and takes on the challenge of handling materials with complex and overlapping shapes. Using the PLB system has several benefits. The advanced 3D camera ensures superior image quality and reliable results, even under varying ambient conditions. The combination of precise 3D matching and short measurement time supports a high production rate. Tools and functions for calibration as well as communication with a robot and PLC also make it easy to get the system into production. Once running, it provides flexibility as it enables fast introduction of new parts into existing work cells. In summary, the PLB vision system facilitates cost-effective design of robotic part handling. The system includes application-tailored software that can handle full 3D rotation of complex parts, as well as cases where parts overlap. It also checks for gripper collisions locally. The software takes 3D CAD models of the parts and gripper as input and outputs possible gripping positions in robot coordinates. The 3D camera acquires dense 3D images that are independent of availability of features on the parts. Image acquisition is independent of external motion. The images produced have a high quality, and the camera's ruggedness makes the system insensitive to contrast and color variation and ideal for use in applications involving metal part handling. Part localization time is typically between 5 and 10 seconds. The system locates parts that are larger than 150 millimeters in all dimensions and can do so with an accuracy that is typically smaller than ±2 millimeters and ±1 degree of rotation. The three main challenging areas of robot automation are path planning and robot programming, gripper design, and localization of parts and objects. SICK provides a solution to the localization problem. The PLB system takes care of the following steps in the process: image acquisition, part localization, part grippability verification, and transfer of part position to the robot controller. The PLB system from SICK is both flexible and robust. Designed with easy integration and flexibility in mind, it can keep up with a high production rate, even under demanding conditions.